Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you the cotton candy tree. Just wonder if you guys have ever seen one of these. I discovered this tree about 7-8 years ago, and that's when I bought this one. It's also known as the Persian Silk Tree or the Pink Mimosa Tree. The great thing about this is it's cold hardy. So it can survive temperatures to minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit, or that's minus 32 degrees Celsius. Right now it smells so good. It's in bloom. It's July. The fragrance is very sweet, and they have these little cotton candy-like flowers, or very delicate cloud-like flowers or clusters that sit on top of these tropical-like leaves. The leaves actually close up at night. It's a really cool tree. This one's about 15 feet tall and about 15 feet wide. They will get up to 50 feet tall and 25 to 30 feet wide. So we do still have some in our eBay store. We've got the link down below. You can also purchase the seeds from us. We appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.